Hi, I'm Mr. Exclusive, and today we're going to be replacing the driver's seat in a Mercedes C300.
Make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to help you avoid the airbag light when you have to remove the seat. As you see here, we got the original covers pulled off the vehicle so we can give you a side-by-side comparison. Our replacement covers are designed to match factory fit perfect. Our factory covers retain all original seat functionalities. Whether you're adjusting your seat or using any other features, it will feel just like the original. We use the highest quality materials. This particular cover comes in beautiful tan that matches the original interior. You can choose between premium leather or choose for vinyl to save on costs. Either way, you'll get a great feel at an affordable cost. Also on this set, we have the airbag hole already cut out for you, which will make install much more easy. As you see on our set, we use push clips, which is similar to the original. After you put it back on the seat, it'll pop right in exactly like the original. Also note, if your original seat had a heated pad, you had to do a little modification. Our heated seat kits are aftermarket, so you would have to change the plug, which is very easy. As you see, it's just two wires, negative and positive. But if you have any questions about that, please comment below. Let me show you here how the seats look with the covers pulled off. Here's the bottom installed. A little bit of the install process. How-to video coming soon. All right, let's check out the finished product.
And there you have it. We replaced the lean back and the bottom. The grain and the finish match the factory perfect.
The fit is snug and it blends seamlessly with the rest of the interior. Replacing your worn out seats have never been easier. If you're looking to restore your Mercedes-Benz interior, head over to the links in the description below. You'll find everything you need to order, whether it's the top, bottom, or complete set. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about our products or how to order, don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to check the links in the description and you'll be restoring your interior in no time.
Oh yeah, and before I forget, I gotta let you know about the airbag light. So I know a lot of you are worried about this. All you have to do is remove the negative terminal on the battery cable. Let the car sit for about 20 minutes for the computer to reset. Then you can remove the seat. After that, after you finish installing everything, you put a seat back in the car, hook everything up, and then you'll plug the negative terminal back on the battery, and you're all good.